Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Here we make content on garden, home and lifestyle. So today we are going to talk about a popular topic that I'm usually asked about, how to make money from your small garden. And so if you're new here, please consider clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we have a new video. So let's get into this video and see ways to make money from a small garden. So way number one is to sell seedlings or starter plants. So what that means is that you have to start your plant earlier than the planting season so that when the rains come, everybody is looking for plants to plant. You can sell your already started plants. Like you can see here, I have some kales that I started. Honestly, they are a bit more than what I can plant in my small garden. So I'm going to maybe to sell a few or gift a few, and then that will be okay. Then you can use actually pots to plant. To pot plants, especially herbs. You can sell potted plants. You can pot your seedlings. You can put seeds in a pot, and when they sprout, you can actually sell them. So that's way number one of making money from a small garden. It's selling starter plants or seedlings. Okay, number two is to value add your product. So whenever you have excess, most of the time we tend to either throw it away, throw it to the compost, and it just goes to waste. But don't do that. Value add your excess. You can actually sun dry your tomatoes, you can sun dry your cherries, you can make them into paste or sauces, and you can earn some money by selling that value added product. You can also dry your greens, you can sun dry them, you can steam and freeze. That is what I do. I usually steam mine, blanch some, steam some, and almost cook, actually even cook some completely and freeze them. And then I'll have supply when those vegetables and those greens, especially even peas, when they're out of season, I'll have supply. So you can actually do the same and then sell it, and you will make some money out of it. So way number three of making money is to actually start and maintain gardens for others. So actually so many people desire to have a kitchen garden, they desire to have a container garden, they desire to green their spaces, but they don't have a green thumb, or they believe so. So you can actually make some money by maintaining other people's gardens. You can plant for them and maybe make a schedule of going over there and checking out on those gardens every week, or maybe 2 times a week, or probably even every day if you have time. You can actually make a whole business out of it, starting them from scratch and maintaining them until your clients can harvest. So that's another way of making money from a small garden. So the other way you can make money from a small garden is to keep small animals. I actually do keep small animals. If you haven't seen my videos on chicken keeping, goat keeping, and the whole of my backyard, just check them out. We will leave the link here so you can see how to value add your small space. And actually we've done a very good video on how to keep chicken in a small space. Please make sure you look for that video. And if your space is small, that video gives you a plan, a very good plan, chicken keeping plan, that helps you keep chicken in a very small space. That thing does not smell, and it's very easy to clean, and it's very easy to maintain. I promise you, go check out that video. So you can actually make money from keeping some chicken. Chicken will give you eggs, which you can sell to your friends, neighbors, and even you can sell them online. The options are now limitless. So you can actually make money from a small space by keeping small animals. The other small animal you can keep is rabbits. Rabbits are so easy to keep. They eat just anything. They eat the waste sukuma wiki, they eat grass from your lawn, they eat carrots, they eat hay, which is very cheap. They eat pellets. Their feeds are so cheap, but they have so many benefits. You start earning from rabbits from day one, because you can sell rabbit urine to organic farmers like me and many others who are looking for organic pesticides to use on their plants to keep away pests. So you can actually make money by selling rabbit urine from the first day you keep your rabbits. And that's another way of making money from a small space. So the other way you can make money from a small space is just sell your excess. You've planted sukuma wiki, there are so many, just sell it to your neighborhood. I think sukuma wiki, especially in Kenya, is a versatile vegetable. Everyone is eating sukuma wiki and spinach. Everybody is juicing, especially if you're doing organic. The market, you can't finish the market, because with people going more healthier, people getting more conscious about what they are eating, they are looking out for organic produce. And so if you have excess organic produce, just sell it as it is. Just pick it from your shamba and just go and sell it. You can sell it in the organic farmers market. You can sell it online. You can sell it in your neighborhood groups, WhatsApp groups, everywhere. The options are limitless. It is for you to decide. So the other way of making money from a small space is to actually make potting mix. So as I said, if you keep small animals, they'll give you manure, and then you just find soil, and then there are some other few things you will add. You can actually find almost all this information on the internet on how to make potting mix, and you can actually sell potting mix. It's a good sale because you just mix the locally available materials in the right ratios though, and you can sell that mix to farmers and even to people who want to keep house plants, people who do not want to touch soil and all those things. You just sell them ready mix. They just put it in the container and their plants will just thrive. So the other way to make money from a small garden is just do what I'm doing. Make content out of your small garden, put it on YouTube, put it on Instagram, reach out to people who are selling things around your niche and make some money out of it. AdSense will pay you a little money, sponsors will pay you a little money, but content making is a great venture. If you have a phone, a smartphone, and internet, you're good to go. Just make content on your garden. Okay, so the next way to make money out of a small space, this one is genius, is to sell microgreens. Microgreens take a short time. Just when they germinate, they are best at about 5 to 7 days. Most of them, or maybe 10 days, you're selling them. Microgreens are very rich in nutrients. Even you can sell them as sprouts when they've just sprouted. You just need to pack them and sell them to people who are healthy conscious, and they're going to buy them because microgreens are very rich in nutrients. Everybody wants something that is healthy. So the last way to make money from your small garden is to sell herbs. Herbs have high demand, and herbs have perennials. They are perennials. If you check out your local shops, 100 grams of rosemary will cost you about 180 shillings. So if you have a rosemary plant, don't always be chopping it and throwing it away. You can actually plant new sprigs from that rosemary plant, or dry it and pack it and sell it. So you can actually make money from your herbs by drying them, packing them and selling them. So those are ways to make money from your small garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give us a thumbs up. And always remember, if you have a vision, add some passion. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.